Hey now, baby. Oh, mama, don't play now, baby.
Hi guys, what is up? It is Annabeth, and today I'm going to be doing how to do this look right here. It's a no wing tutorial. I just did a little bit of eyeliner, some mascara, and some pencil eyeliner on my waterline, and that is all I did. I did not do a wing or anything like that. It's more of like a cut crease sort of, but then I just hope y'all enjoy and just like and subscribe. So let's go into the tutorial. Go. Bye. So first off, I'll be using CoverGirl Clean, and what I'm just going to do is I'll be using this brush. It's by Eco Tools, and this is a foundation brush. I actually do like using this better than I do this, so I'm just going to use this brush today. So maybe just that much. It does run down the side, so I have to be quick about it. So now I'm just going to use this little silicone to kind of spread it out. Okay, now I'm going to be using my little sponge. Now I'm going to be using my Morphe brush to apply the powder. Oh, and I'm using my Broadway and I'll be using my spongy blender, and I'm going to be using this setting powder under my eye, and it's by e.l.f. and that's what I'll be using. And I just take this and put it in there and then just go. Okay, now we're going back to this. My Milani contour and highlight stick. And I'm just going to go around my head with this. For this one, I'm going to be using a Morphe Dark brush, this one, and I'm just going to barely blend it out. My other Morphe brush, and I'll be using my Color Workshop, and I'll be using that one right there. It's more of a bronzer, but I like using it. It seems to pop. So now I'm going to go back with the setting powder, and I'm just going to get some of this right here on my sponge and just go underneath my contour right there. I'm going to go a little bit up here too. I'm going to be using the same brush I did with my contour, and it's this brush right here, and I'll be using this highlighter right there. And this palette is Hard Candy Look Pro, and I'm just going to go over that. I'll be using a Revlon Color Stay for my eyebrow. I'm going to be using Brow Precise. Now I'm going to go ahead and start using Morphe. It's usually for contouring, but I like using it on the top right here to blend it in to my foundation. So now, since we are done with our brows, I'm going to go ahead and go on with the eyes, and I'll be using Mary Kay eye primer, and I think this only costed like $12, so. Go ahead and contour my nose, and I'll be using this again, and I'll be using this one right here. So now that my eyes are probably done, I'm going to go ahead and start off with this one. I will be using my Tarte palette. That's the one I've been using for maybe a week. So I'm just going to take this, and I am going to start in the crease. I'm just going to take, and I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use BFF with just over here in my corner, maybe like right there, just a tiny bit. It is really pigmented, so. So now I'll be using this brush. It does not say. Using it for, I'll be putting foundation on this to pat over my eyelid for the crease. So I'm just going to take the lid right here, put it on my eyelid right there. And see, with this one, I'm not going to do just a complete cut crease. I'm going to do something a little different here. I'm going to go ahead and use Crush, which is up here at the top. And I'm going to apply it just starting right here. Now I'm going to be taking my blending brush and I'm going to be using this same palette, and I'll be using this again right here. That's why I put that over there in the corner. I'm going to take it right here and apply it. And then I'm going to be using my Tarte brush. It has a little fluffy end right there. And I'm going to go in with BFF under my waterline. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the same brush that I used for the first eye, and I'm going to do it again on this other eye. So now we're going to do our eyeliner, and with this I'm just going to do a small line. I'm not going to do wing. This is a wingless tutorial. So now we are going to do a small point at the end to complete it, and then we're going to go on with mascara and maybe a little of pencil eyeliner on my waterline. So now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Pencil for my waterline, and I'm just going to put a little bit because I don't want to take away from the main part. Okay. So now we're going to go in with mascara, and this one I'll be using is Tarteist Lash Paint, that's what it's called, and now I'm going to be using it's my Tarte, and it's a really pretty shade. I like it. It doesn't say what shade it is. this tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed. So please like and subscribe down below, and if there's anything else you need, then please let me know in the comments below. Bye guys.